Octopus. It has 3 hearts and blue blood. Pufferfish. It puffs up like a balloon to scare enemies. Jellyfish. It has no brain and no heart. Starfish. Starfish can grow back its arms. Crab. Crab walks sideways like a boss. Eel. Electric eel can shock enemies with electricity. Squid. Squid shoots ink like a ninja escape. Dolphin. Dolphin can sleep with one eye open. Seahorse. Seahorse dads carry the babies. Clownfish. Clownfish can live safely in poisonous anemones. Flying fish. Flying fish can fly above water. Stingray. Stingray hides in sand and has a stingy tail. Shark. Shark can smell blood from far away. Orca. Orca hunts like a super team. Swordfish. Swordfish uses its long sword to slash prey. Sea urchin. Sea urchin is covered in sharp spikes. Lobster. Lobster has blue blood. Blue whale. Blue whale has a heart as big as a car. Walrus. Walrus has giant tusks. Manatee. Manatee is a gentle sea cow. Sea turtle. Sea turtle can live over 100 years. Seal. Seal is cute but fast in water. Sea lion. Sea lion can walk on land with flippers. Penguin. Penguins can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes underwater. Coral. Coral looks like a plant but is tiny animals. Narwhal. Narwhal has a long tusk like a unicorn. Beluga whale. Beluga whale can change the shape of its head. Manta Ray. Manta Ray can grow wider than a car. Anglerfish. Anglerfish uses a glowing light to catch prey. Hammerhead Shark. Hammerhead Shark has a head shaped like a hammer. Leafy Sea Dragon. Leafy Sea Dragon looks like floating seaweed. Horseshoe Crab. Horseshoe Crab has blue blood and is very ancient.